4 feet, 5 feet, or 6 feet. Okay?
Okay.
That's basically what our marketing claims are for the rugged devices. Now, when you're dropping, just make sure that when you pick an orientation, it bounces and hits away from you. That it doesn't bounce and hit you in the shins. All right? Don't pick an orientation where it bounces. I'll tell you before you do.
Okay.
Just to make sure.
Don't.
And then lastly, just pick us. Just tell us what orientation you're basically drawing. Right?
And it's all on video.
It's all on video. Wow, really?
No pressure here.
All right, so I guess I'm gonna go 7.
All right, 7.
Oh, no, you said 6.
It's fine. It's fine. We have product margin here.
All right, so we're gonna do 7.
Okay, flat on the LCD. Okay,
All right.
let it rip. Did you hit your?
No.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's all right. Oh, you cracked it.
Oh.
That's good. So this is the first time it's actually cracked because we've been using this device for about 2 years now. So
You broke it.
you break it, you buy it.
I got a card, it's fine.
But at a big discount.
Yeah, big discount.
Yeah, but that's good, you know. So this it still boots, right? So we've been using this product for quite some time.
Like, you move the sledgehammer.
Yeah, that's good.
Nice job, Mark.
Well, Gary, did you quit putting the hash marks on them?
Oh yes, because
Well, that's lessons learned. You need to keep doing it.
yeah, but it was so much, right? It's been 2 years now.
Well, I
since
know, but
that's a good point, right? We used to put
hash
marks
mark every drop.
on every product on the drops to see how many drops. Right?
Full of hash marks.
Yeah, so to really get a finding for this type of product, right, we're actually